Hey everybody, this is Webkinz7870, and here is a store. Well, not really a store, but it's just a little cell. Yes, just a little cell. Yes, just a little cell. See, first is a little remote, a bed, 2 potatoes, and a very good ring. Yes, a very good ring. Okay. I don't know what to buy, but oh look. Ooh, this is cool. I really wanted that. Oh, I want that. I want that too. Okay, well, it's time to check out. Excuse me, can I have this? Sure. That'll be $25. But look at this. Well, I have to go home. Oh, bye.